Bullish BCH value expectation is $131.50 to $273.20. Bitcoin money cost could likewise reach $300 soon. Bearish BCH cost expectation for 2022 is $95.20. In Bitcoin money cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about BCH to examine the future development of the digital currency. Bitcoin money current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Bitcoin money is $117.77 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $576,530,861 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, BCH has diminished by almost 3% as of now. Besides, Bitcoin money has a circling supply of 19,188,874 BCH. Bitcoin money exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, OKX, Coinbase Trade, FTX, FMFW.io. What is Bitcoin money? Bitcoin money is a shared electronic cash framework that intends to turn into a confided-in worldwide cash with quick installments, miniature commissions, protection, and high exchange limit. Similarly, as actual cash, for example, dollar notes, is moved straightforwardly to the beneficiary, Bitcoin money installments are sent straightforwardly from one individual to another. Bitcoin money is a type of the digital currency basically the same as Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin money is a fork of Bitcoin because of the split of the chain where a specific gathering of Bitcoin designers isn't happy with the overall bearing of Bitcoin's versatility. Bitcoin money value expectation 2022. The symmetric triangle graph design shows the time of union that might drive a value breakdown or breakout, all the more in this way. A breakdown from the lower trend line shows the start of another negative pattern. On the other hand, a breakout from the upper trend line signal shows the start of another bullish pattern. Brokers likewise utilize moving midpoints related to a balanced triangle outline example to trail their stop misfortune. Right now, Bitcoin money is in the scope of $117.77. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of BCH could arrive at the opposition levels of $144.50, $166.90, and $210.70. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of BCH might tumble to $107.90 and $95.50. Bitcoin money backing and opposition levels. The diagram underneath shows the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin money. The diagrams show that Bitcoin money has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, BCH could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $273. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Bitcoin money could dive to nearly $95.20, a negative sign. Bitcoin money value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Bitcoin money is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of BCH lies beneath the line, showing feeble members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Bitcoin money is displayed in the diagram above. Strikingly, the Bitcoin money cost lies on the 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. Right now, BCH has entered a negative state. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of BCH whenever. In the interim, the overall strength list of the BCH is 51.52. This implies that Bitcoin money is in a neither overbought nor oversold state. Nonetheless, this implies a significant value inversion of BCH might happen in the impending days. In this way, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Bitcoin money value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of Bitcoin money. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Bitcoin money. Presently, the ADX of BCH lies in the scope of 7.7 and hence, it shows a feeble pattern. The above outline likewise addresses the overall unpredictability file of Bitcoin money. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of BCH lies under 50, showing high unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of Bitcoin money is at 51.52 in this manner, affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of BCH with BTC, ATH. The beneath diagram shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin money. From the above graph, we can decipher that the value activity of BCH is like BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH builds, the cost of BCH increments. At the point when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of BCH diminishes. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2023. On the off chance that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Bitcoin Money could presumably achieve $350 by 2023. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Bitcoin Money could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, BCH could revitalize to hit $400 by 2024. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Bitcoin Money supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, BCH would revitalize to hit $450. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Bitcoin Money supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, BCH would revitalize to hit $500. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2027. If Bitcoin Money supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, BCH would mobilize to hit $550. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2028. Bitcoin Money holds up serious areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market. By driving huge cost rallies, BCH would hit $600 in 2028. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2029. Assuming that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Bitcoin Money, it would observe significant spikes. BCH could hit $650 by 2029. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent progressions in the fundamental consideration token ecosystem, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into BCH for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Subsequently, Bitcoin Money could hit $700 by 2030. And, with consistent upgrades in the Bitcoin Money organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for BCH. Consequently, the bullish value expectation of Bitcoin Money in 2022 is $273.20. Then again, the negative value expectation of Bitcoin Money cost forecast for 2022 is $95.20. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the essential consideration token biological system, the presentation of BCH would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $3,785.82 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $300 assuming the financial backers accept that BCH is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Bitcoin Money? Bitcoin Money is one of the digital currencies that is hard forked from the prevailing Bitcoin blockchain. It was sent off in 2017 as a quicker and less expensive option in contrast to the first Bitcoin. 2. Where might you at any point buy Bitcoin Money? Bitcoin Money has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, FMFW.io, Coinbase Trade, OKX, FTX,